Good morning. In last TBT, in last Toolbox talk, I told about two things. First, use of PPE, use of personal protective equipment. Especially, I told about gloves. We have to wear gloves on proper time, but it may cause some accident. That kind of examples I have told. If we don't use it PPE properly, it may cause accident. For that purpose, I explained about one fellow was drilling. Gloves had been caught when he was drilling. His gloves and drill bit, rotating drill bit, both ones have been jammed, both have been caught, and because of that, his fingers have been injured. The shape of his fingers had been changed. What does it mean? We have to wear PPE, safety helmet, goggles, coverall, safety shoe. Especially we have to wear this one. And at the time of special uses, we have to wear gloves, safety harness, that kind of auxiliary PPE we have to wear. But if we don't wear it properly, it may cause another accident. For that purpose, I explained about that drilling machine, and one fellow got accident when he was drilling with the drill bit. His hand had been worn by gloves, but it has been caught in rotating drill bit. For indicating about this, I would like to say one more example related with another PPE. Now I told about gloves. Another PPE is not mandatory PPE. So many auxiliary PPEs are there. Whenever we have to use, that time we have to use. Those ones are called auxiliary PPE. In that, so many auxiliary PPE. One is earplug, another one is mask, another one is gloves is also an auxiliary PPE, and another one is safety harness. That kind of so many things are there. Now, I would like to say about one accident happened when one fellow had worn safety harness. Actually, he was working at height. When we work at height, we have to compulsory use safety harness. Earlier, so many years ago, when I was working in one company, if you work more than 3 meter height, we have to wear safety harness. That was the rule of that company. Again, I changed the company, and when I went to another company, there I could see another rule. It was, if you work more than 2 meter height, it may make accident. So we have to wear gloves if we work more than 2 meter height. The final thing I have recognized is, I have recognized it from Kazakhstan. If you work more than 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter means 120 centimeter. If we work more than 120 centimeter, we have to wear safety harness. Now I am indicating about a person who was working above 3 floors. It means one floor is approximately 3 meter. If he was working above 3rd floor, approximate height may be 9 meters. He was fitting gratings to empty area. If we fit gratings to empty area, we have to take a special permission. There should be proper scaffolding. There should be proper warning tape. there should be safety harness, everything. Here, now I am not, in this episode, I don't say about work permit, I don't say about scaffolding, I don't say about that kind of safety warning tape and that kind of thing. I don't say no. I would like to say only about safety harness. He had worn safety harness, but he got accident. Why has he got accident? He was a lazy person. Most of the time, he won't be working. He will be sitting there. Some places, they had already fitted gratings. And some other places, we have yet to fit gratings. He will fit one grating. Afterwards, he will take rest. That is improper. We shouldn't lose manpower. If I say about manpower, I will be diverting from my subject. So I don't say about manpower now. I shall say about manpower in another episode. I told he was so lazy. He will put one grating. Afterwards, he will take rest. He will sit in somewhere. After sitting, when he goes to take this grating, it was I told that he was so lazy. So, what was he doing? He won't be standing up. He won't be walking to the place wherever he has to get grating. Instead of that, he got another one idea. If I was writing, I told the word idea. If I was writing, above the word writing, I would have put one apostrophe. I am saying about his idea. Then you can recognize whether it was an idea or not. He is lazy, he is sitting. From his own place, he has worn just safety harness like a garland. We are wearing garland. We are wearing rings in our hands. We wear another golden things or silver things in our fingers or our neck or leg or some other places. We are wearing golden things or silver things as an ornament. He has worn safety harness, but how is it? It is like an ornament. It means he hasn't fastened the tail end of safety harness to a rigid point. If we wear safety harness, we have to fasten its hook to one rigid point. That is must. There should be a rigid point. In that rigid point, we have to fit its tail end. Tail end means in tail end there will be a ring. There will be a hook. This hook has to be fastened to tail end. What was he doing? He wore safety harness to show it to others. Nobody should scold him for that purpose. He has worn safety harness. He was lazy. He sat there and he took the tail end of safety harness. There is a hook. He put this hook to nearest grating. For what purpose? He has to pull this grating from there to here. He was lazy, so he didn't get up. He didn't walk to the place of grating. Instead of that, he sat there and he used the tail end of safety harness hook to pull it from there to very near to his side for fitting. He applied a hook and he tried to pull, sitting in that place. You say the meaning. He pulled the grating, but when it reached the place for it to fit. It fell down, grating fell down. Say the remaining. If this much of weight grating has fallen down, in its one portion, one hook had been fastened. Which hook? His safety harnesses, tail end, there is a hook. That hook had been fastened to that grating. Then you say the remaining. If grating had fallen down, with that grating, one more thing had fallen down. Actually, before falling down, I would have told that one man had also fallen down. This lazy man had also fallen down. But unfortunately, I told grating fell down. With that grating, one thing also fell down. I told the word it. One thing. It. I didn't use the word one man. I didn't use the word one lazy man. I didn't use the word one fabricator. Before falling down, he was a man. Before falling down, he was a fabricator. Before falling down, he was a man. But when he fell down with that grating, he became dead body. Dead body can, if it is a dead body, we can say he is a man. If it has become a dead body, we can say it is a fabricator. We have to say it. We have to say one thing. He has become one thing. He has become one thing which doesn't have life. So, up to the time when we work in fabrication field, sometimes it may be up to 60 years old, sometimes 70 years or 80 years. Any time, you shouldn't be a thing. You shouldn't be an it. You should be a man. You shouldn't be a lazy man also. You should be a brilliant man. You should be the fabricator of fabricators. You should, if you are the fabricator of fabricators, you will become as an engineer. Again, if you have progress, if you become the engineer of engineers, you become you will become as a scientist. Again, you have to get progress. So, don't be lazy. Don't lose manpower. Don't use any PPE improperly. If we have worn safety harness, it has to be its tail end hook has to be fastened to one rigid point. It shouldn't be fastened to pull one grating. It shouldn't use to pull, or it shouldn't be used as an ordinary thing. It shouldn't be used as a jewelry like garland, ring, that kind of thing, anklet. Don't use it as an jewelry. So earlier I told gloves and its proper use. If we don't use properly, it will make us accident. It will cheat us. If we wear safety harness, we have to use it properly. Otherwise, it will cause to reach in accident. So respect gloves, respect safety harness, respect all PPE. If you respect them, they won't beat us. They won't make revenge against us. They won't cheat us. So, remember, those things are ordinary things, poor things, innocent things. They don't like to cheat any man. If we don't use it properly, it will cheat us. Today should be the day for not to be cheated by any PPE. So use PPE properly. Have a safe working day.